happy Monday to you all. I wish you guys have a blessed week, a beautiful week, a meaningful week, guys. I hope everything work out for you all. So my daughter Kaylee, she came down with COVID, so she's off from school today. She cannot go in, and I had to report it to my job. So they told me I have to stay home and quarantine too, along with Kaylee. So guess what? I'm gonna turn the negative into a positive today, guys. And I will be making some breakfast for my baby. I will be making her some scrambled eggs, some fried plantains, and hot chocolate. It's not gonna be crazy, guys, but I just wanna share my day with you as to what I'm doing because I'm home, I'm free, guys, so stay tuned. So the first thing I'll be doing, I'll be prepping my stuff. So just come along with me. I won't be doing a lot of talking, just mostly, working my hands, and let's prepare. Okay, guys, so the first thing you all want to do is make sure to always wash your seasonings and veggies. I've already washed these, so now we're gonna be chopping these up. What I'm making, guys, is some scrambled eggs. So I'm trying to get these as tiny as I possibly can.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you.
Guys, I do like a lot of veggies in my scrambled eggs. Normally I would have green peppers, but I have none today, so that's why I'm using all this red pepper. Now I'll be chopping my scallions or green onions.
don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. 'Cause the love you
Okay guys, now it's time to do our cooking. I'm adding some oil to start with the plantains.
choose you, I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give.
So guys, you want to fry your plantains until they're golden brown, and then I'll be placing them on this piece of napkin on my dish. Plantains, they are easily burnt, so you want to monitor this. You want to flip them. If you have a air fryer, you could also do these, but this is the traditional way how we do it in Jamaica, where you can do it in your air fryer if you want to go on the healthier side, the healthier way. And don't have your stove too high.
On you, that's true indeed. I'm digging you, you make me believe your love is more than a million. You give me a really good. Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. 'Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do what you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a.
Okay guys, I will be removing my plantains from my pot. Drain the oil, wash my pot, and come back for us to do the scrambled eggs. See you when I come back. Okay guys, so now we'll be moving on to our scrambled eggs.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, but you're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you.
Okay guys, so we're done making our scrambled eggs and our fried plantains. So what I'll be doing now is making some hot chocolate. So we'll be using some carnation milk along with our hot chocolate, and we'll be having this with some bread. Baby girl is sick and it's raining outside, so guess what? I'm whipping her up some nice breakfast, simple and easy. We're using some carnation milk. And I'll be tipping a little bit of salt to bring the taste up of the hot chocolate. You don't have to, guys. This is optional. This is just my way. You don't really need sugar, but if you do, you can go ahead and add a little, just a little bit. Guys, I have OCD, so I have to cook and clean at the same time. Always make sure your surface is clean when you're cooking. This is my favorite butter when I'm having bread. So guys, baby girl and I, we cannot have breakfast together because she has to quarantine in her bedroom. So I'll just be taking her breakfast to her, let her eat in her bedroom. Because we all have to stay away from each other. So guys, this is Kaylee's breakfast. So I'll be bringing this, you see my Jamaican cup? I love this cup. So I'll be serving this to her in her bedroom. So guys, thank you all for staying with me on my little easy breakfast video. I hope you did enjoy. And guys, if you did not yet subscribe, me don't know what I wait for, you know. Guys, me still a wait for now. Thank you all again. I hope you all have a blessed week and a fantastic day. And I hope your day is filled with joy and fun as mine, because of course I'm home from work. I don't have to work today. So I'm grateful for that, even though my baby is sick. So I thank you all again for tuning in. I'll see you in my next video. Be safe. And as always, I love you guys.